Okay, so since I'm having a difficult time sleeping, it's like almost 4 a.m. right now. I thought I should just do the unboxing right now. So in my previous video, I did the Eyes One Bloom Eyes, I'm not sure, album. Now we're going to do the Oneiric Diary. Okay, so thank you, Patrick, for getting this for me. Okay, so the spine, so I think there's like 3 different versions. If you stack them up together, it should say Eyes One. This one is the middle volume, the middle one, or middle of the word. You know what I mean. Anyway, so it's pronounced Oneiric. Oneiric meaning that you're like in a dreamlike state. You can look it up, you can Google it, but it's pronounced Oneiric. Okay? So let's get started. Ta-da. Okay. So this is Wan Young. I was hoping I would get Yena, even though Cheon is my bias. I just really wanted like Yena for this cover, but it's okay. Wan Young is also very pretty. So this is their 3rd mini album. Okay, so it comes in, there's 2 parts. Okay, this is the photo book, and this is where the disc is held. So I'll show you this one first. Alright. Okay, here's the disc. I actually haven't played it yet, and I'll show you the contents of this side. Okay, so start off with the photo cards. Kim Min-ju, Jang Won-young, just like the cover. I was hoping I would get someone else though, but it's okay. Okay, and this little postcard thingy. I think there's 12 dots to represent each of them. And then I forget what this is for. It's kind of like a sticker. They do have like videos on this little playhouse thing. There's like pink, purple, and blue, because in one of their photo shoots they dressed up in blue, pink, and purple dresses. Okay, so let's go through the photo book, and if you want to tune out, feel free to do so. I think this is like super pretty. It's like so shiny. Okay, I think I might just go through the whole thing just cause. Okay, story time. Okay, Oneiric Diary. Group photo. Oops. Okay. Kwon Eun-bi. Eun-bi. More Eun-bi. Okay, Miyawaki Sakura. More Sakura. Sakura. Okay. Kang Hae-won. You know, I actually really like her. Oops. Ooh, sorry. I really like how they styled her, or how she looks in this concept. Okay, Kang Hae-won, super pretty. Okay. Okay, Choi Yena. So her natural hair color is black, but she's blonde now. Okay. They're also pretty. Okay, my bias, Lee Chaeyeon. Like I said, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but I'll learn. Okay. Lee Chaeyeon. Okay. Okay, I believe this is Kim Chae-won. Kim Min-ju. Just like in the photo card. Yabuki Nako. Okay, Honda Hitomi. Jo Yuri. Oh, fun fact. So, Choi Ye-na and Jo Yuri are really good friends, even back when they were on the show Produce 48. And a lot of people ship them, so they're known as Yul Yen. You can look that up if you like. Okay. Okay, An Yoonji. Okay. More Eugene. Jang Won Young, just like the cover and photo card. Okay. Okay. And here's the group picture. Okay. Okay, and here are the lyrics. And you pretty much just the lyrics. But my favorite song by Swan is Pretty. I thought it was super girly at first and like too cutesy for me, but the more I listened to it, the more I liked it. I love it so much because whenever I listen to this song, it gives me a high self-esteem boost, or gives me a self-esteem boost in general. So if you haven't listened to it already, you should definitely do so. Because you're so pretty.
You're so pretty.